Today I'll be opening up the Disneyland Mascots Mystery Pins. This is an older pin series that was released way back in 2016, so 9 years ago. I got these in 2021, and I've had them sitting in this gold basket back here for the past 4 years, so I figured it might be time to open them up, maybe? So these are no longer available in the parks, so if you do like these pin designs, you'll have to get them through pin sellers or trade for them. So back when these were released, these bags cost $27.99, which is nice. I wish we can go back to those prices. And there are 5 pins in each bag. So this is a 16 pin collection, and the pin designs feature a Disneyland attraction logo that looks like a sports team logo. So if you could imagine Matterhorn, if that was a sports team, what would you call them and what would it look like? That's what these pins are, so it's pretty cool. And the other really fun thing here is that 3 of these attractions have been rethemed since these pins were released. So we have some old names here. So the pins that we can get are the Fantasmic Dragons, Small World Sailors, Jungle Cruise Headhunters, Toad Hall Mayhem, Ornament Valley Velocity, Tiki Room Harmony, California Screamers, Space Mountain Blast, Neverland Galleons, the Matterhorn Abominable Snowmen, World of Color Spectrum, Forbidden Eye Temples, Wonderland Teacups, Caribbean Cannonballs, Briar Patch Splash, and the Hollywood Tower Hotel Bellhops. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 3 bags here to open up, which is 15 pins total. So I already have 9 of these pins, so I am hoping to complete the collection today. I'm not exactly sure which 9 I have. I know I did see a few on this pin board back here. So what I'll have to do is do the unboxing and then look in some books and stuff, try to find out which ones I actually need. And it would be great to complete the collection because I can't buy these anymore, so... At least you can't buy the bags anymore. I could buy them from eBay, but with an old series like this, you have to watch out for fakes because 9 years old, yeah, there's most likely fakes of these. So let's get into these and see what we get. These are just loose in the bags. So our first pin is Space Mountain Blast. That is a very cool pin. It says Space Mountain and Blast really big, and we have the Space Mountain ride building there with a couple of the rockets, and I can see little people there. That is pretty cool. So we got that one. Let's see what we get for pin 2. We have Toad Hall Mayhem. So we have Mr. Toad sitting. Is he in one of his ride vehicles? It's kind of hard to tell. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So I have Mr. Toad right there. And this one, I'm pretty sure I don't have. I seem to remember Blast. But the Toad Hall one, I don't think I have. So hey, one closer. At least so I think. All right, pin 3, we have World of Color Spectrum. Nice. So we have the Mickey's Fun Wheel back there, and it was Mickey's Fun Wheel at the time of this release. And we have the different water cannons shooting up there, and it says World of Color Spectrum. That's pretty cool. Another one I don't think I have. All right, pin 4. We have the Briar Patch Splash. That is pretty cool. So we have the, looks like really hard for me to see right here, but I can see Brer Rabbit, and he's in a log coming down the mountain. And then it says Briar Patch Splash. I know I have this one, but the good thing about this, I think I have this, but I got it off of a trade. So at least now I know this is an official one. So... So that's the thing. All 15 of these will be official ones. So if I get any doubles from ones I already have, I'll probably be displaying these ones. And my last one in this first bag is the Forbidden Eye Temples. That is pretty cool. So we have the Mara right there, and we have some Cobras on both sides. That is really cool. Okay, so now we're going to get into bag 2. And this is where we might start seeing some doubles, which we never want to see. All right, first one, ooh, nice, not a double. It is the Fantasmic Dragons. So we have Maleficent Dragon breathing green fire all over the sign right there that says Fantasmic Dragons. Love that one. I don't know if I have that one or not. The next one, let's see. We have the Hollywood Tower Hotel Bellhops. Very cool. Even though I don't go on that ride, it's still a very cool pin. So, there we go. I don't think I have that one either. So I think I'm doing pretty good so far, but we'll find out later. Now this one is the California Screamers. So that is cool. You have the loop and you have the sun that's inside the loop. I don't know if that's still inside the loop. I think it's just is it a Pixar ball? I forget what it is now, but it used to be the sun right there. And then you've got the top. I don't know if that's, I can't really tell if that's just the top of a fun wheel or just the top of the one lift hill there. Yeah, that one's really cool. And I do have this one, I think, in a pin book somewhere, but now at least I know I have an official one. That's the good thing. And we have our first duplicate today is another Briar Patch Splash, which I guess if you're going to get a duplicate out of these right now, it's good to get one of the ones that got rethemed. So now those are not really more rare, but people might be looking for the original names of the attractions. And then our last one for that bag is another new one. It is Small World Sailors. So we have the Small World facade kind of in the background there. We have a boat coming right towards us with 3 of the Small World kids in it. Now, that's a cool one. I don't think I've seen that one either. All right, so I think just basing it off of memory, I think I might have 1, 2, 3, 4 new ones that I didn't have. So if I had 9 and I just got 4 new ones, I'm still short. Which ones do I need? I don't know. Maybe I have more of these. All right, so this one here, another new one, Tiki Room Harmony. Nice. Now this one does not look familiar to me, and I have Tiki Room pins up here, somewhere right around there, and I don't see this one. So we have one of the masks or the Tiki idols right there. We have a couple of birds. Very cool. Put them right there on the edge. 4 more pins to go here. We have another new one for this. We have the Jungle Cruise Headhunters. So we have a guy right there with a mask and got some horns, and he's got a shield and a spear. That one's really cool. I do have this one right behind me somewhere. I know I saw that earlier. I'm just gonna put him down there. All right, let's see what we get here. We get another Toad Hall Mayhem. Put him right there. 2 pins to go. We get the Neverland Galleons. So this one here, it has a pirate ship, and that's all I really see, right? Just a pirate ship in the background. And this one is one that I feel like is on a lot of pin trading boards. So I have a bunch of these. I think I have 4 or 5 of these, but I'm not sure where they came from. So it's good to get an official one. Then I can compare them and make sure the other ones are good. And my last pin, looking at the back, it looks different from any of the ones we've opened. And it is the Wonderland Teacups. Very cool. So we have 4 different teacups stacked up on top of each other. And it says Wonderland Teacups. I know I saw that one up there too, but now I have an official one. So for this unboxing, we did really good. We only got 2 doubles. So that means we got 13 unique pins. And I know I have 9. So now I have to go see, did I complete this collection or am I still missing 1 or 2 or 3? We'll find out. So those were the Disneyland Mascots mystery pins from 2016. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here, or if you collect this collection. I went through all of my pin boards and looked through some pin books back here and down here a bit to see which ones of these I have. And did I complete the collection? No, I did not complete the collection. I was so close. I was 1 pin away. I was looking through this list thinking, got it. I don't think I've seen that one. And it is the Ornament Valley Velocity. The one with Lightning McQueen. I don't have. So I'll have to find that one out there to complete this collection. And in case you're curious, I know I've talked about it before on this channel, like once a long time ago, but this gold basket here, before I started this channel in summer of 2021, I bought a lot of mystery bags and boxes, so I would have unboxing videos for, the foreseeable future back then. But what I didn't realize at the time was Disney releases mystery pins all the time in Loungefly, Box Lunch. There's always new mystery pins you can buy. So I started focusing on the newer mystery pins, and all the old ones I had in this basket just kind of got left behind. So I always forget that it's there, but it's filled to the top with pin boxes and some of the pin bags. I know there's like Tiny Kingdom pins in there, Kingdom of Cute, like the Lightyear mystery pins in there, some Winnie the Pooh ones, a lot of Loungefly, and I do have the Disney World one of these, the Disney World mascots, and a few other of the bag pins that are no longer for sale in the park. So I'm hoping to kind of get to those, like when I don't have any new mystery pins to unbox, I'll dig in the gold basket back here and see what I have. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.